What is going on, guys? My name is Drizzle and welcome to my second channel. This is gonna be like a let's play channel because the my main channel is like an NBA and stuff channel, so this is gonna be like an let's play channel. I just bought Overwatch yesterday, and then I thought, why not just share it with you guys? And yes, I'm a little bit late. It came out like 11 days ago, but I still thought that I would play it and share it with you guys. As you can see, it says that I could continue on a storyline, and that is because I wanted to play online, and I misunderstood how you played online. So that is why I've just been like quickly in and checked on it and then out again. So I haven't played anything at all. So let's just get right into it. Confirm and continue. Alright. Starting off stealthy. Let's go. The first victim. Camera. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so we can see the name and the income. 94. It's alright for a guard. They are getting paid a shitload of money. I almost got caught. Okay, let's take him out. Oh, strangle. First guard down. Okay, in the left hand corner you can see what we need to do and some tutorials and all that stuff. So I can take my weapon out and my weapon wheel and so on. The camera. And then I know you can spot guards. So here we have spotted him and spotted him. So now we can see them through walls. Let's jump down. Alright. Let's just... Oh my... How didn't he see me? He gets paid a shitload of money, but he didn't see me anyways. But hey. Wow, it's pretty easy so far. Can we set the difficulty up or something? It's a little bit too easy. Gameplay. Yes. Hard. Let's set it on hard. Alright. So we have a gun. A stun gun, so it doesn't kill. And some money. 4,722. Who just has 4,000 like in a container? That's a little bit weird. Find the closed circuit terminal. Alright. Up here. And then we are unlocking this. Alright. And gosh dang it, wrong button. Like this. he can kick some ass, you know. He looks pretty terrifying. Alright, find the access key to unlock. So we need to look up here. How do we get up there? Cameras? Or what am I doing? Oh, the net hack, of course. And this camera. Yeah, here we go. And then we got the access key. Alright. Let's open up the door. Alright. No one's around the corner. Let's just get in. Okay. Let's take him out. Test drive. Oh, so they're testing me on the hardest difficulty. That's not a task. Let's just let him pass. No need to kill. We need to kill him. Gosh dang it. I won't like kill people that I don't have to kill. Because it can be difficult at the end if we need to kill all the people and then they see that some people are getting killed and so on, and then it just gets like really difficult. Let's just go this way, around and around. And who shall we take out? Let's just wait for him to come around the corner. Oh my gosh. We can also... Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm gonna... I'm dead. Alright, that didn't work out as planned. Let's try that again. So maybe the hardest difficulty isn't the best solution for me. Let's give it another try. We need to... Oh my gosh. Serious? Okay, let's just hurry up. Open the door. Go to the next level. And to the next level. And kill this guy. Strangle him. Oh shit. Just hit him as well. It isn't enough to just strangle him. Shall we shoot this guy? Yeah, let's shoot him. Nice. And we also need to take this guy out. Nice. Alright, let's hack it. Shut down the server tower. Shall we kill someone, sorry, in the meantime? Oh, out of range. Oh, get back. Okay, so we can kill someone in the meantime. We can tag them. Why is people? Oh, never mind. Okay, we just shut down the server. Let's get this guy. Nice shot, right to the head. Can we hit him as well? Just kill him. Isn't it a little bit unpractical to have that on the back? Like, I don't know, who am I to judge, but I wouldn't have my weapon on the back. I would have it in like my hand maybe or something. I don't know. Alright, let's get up here. Why can't I get up? Sorry. Am I? Oh, I need to. Of course. Okay, let's get down here. Nice. They are impressed. They don't know what he can do. Okay, let's get in here and close the door. And can we lock? Yeah, we're gonna lock it like this. Okay. Access the ctOS database. Complete the network bypass to unlock. Is it just one of these? Okay, it's pretty easy. And unlock. Like this. Marcus. Launch ctOS live tracking. Press X to confirm. Criminal record. Press to confirm. Take a look at his face. He's just like, what the fuck is going on? Delete criminal records. 42. Deleting. Okay, so now he doesn't exist. He's just like a ghost now. Create new profile. Manually select new online profile appearance. Okay. Anarchist, boycotts Hollywood blockbusters, celebrity interior designer, CEO of multinational corporation, CTO failed startup, director of first impression, drug mule, former model, game reviewer, genius IQ, hip hop artist, human billboard, informant, meat packer, nude model. What the fuck? Online celebrity, only drinks water, prostitute, related to famous magician, sells DVDs to Japanese market, social media guru, stay at home dad, trust fund baby, wife of billionaire. These are some weird types. For the sake of the video, let's go for game reviewer. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So escape by the server tower basement. Alright. Hacking subjects. While targeting an object, hold L1 to open the hacking module and then press X trigger object's function. Square create proximity trigger. Triangle shut down object function for a few seconds, and circle attract people towards object. So we can hack this. Hold L1 to show hacking option and press blah 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 blah. So this and this to learn nearby. And then it's gonna blow in like a second or what? Yeah. Alright. Easy enough. Let's get out of here. Can we just vault this? Yes, we can. And where are we going? In here? Oh my gosh, these doors, it's so hard to tell if it is open or locked. I can't make that jump. Shall we run for it, or let's take this guy out, strangle him. Nice. And down the stairs, and down these stairs. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. How didn't he see me? Wow. The worst security guards ever. Oh, do I need to get further down? I think so. Yeah. Alright. Let's get out of here. Where am I going? This way. And shoot him. Let's go. Nice.
In 2013, Chicago realized the promise of smart cities with ctOS, a citywide operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, ctOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time. You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is worth treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense? Freedom's last line of defense.
So, am I in?
Welcome to DedSec. I'm Satara. This sweetheart is Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
Yo, your hot sauce? Yeah, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
The needs of the many.
And this Casanova is Horatio.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? It's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit. You saw Bloom's bullshit. ctOS isn't just regulating infrastructure. The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's Big Brother and Little Brother all rolled up into one.
Huh?
Sees everything you do and tells on you.
Thank you, Josh.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers and fire. No! Sledgehammers on fire. Oh, sorry.
All of that data in one place means they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have been pre-rejected for our credit card.
Or your house, or your insurance.
That's not even the worst case scenario. All that data in the hands of the government, they'll arrest you for shit before you even do it.
Yeah, I've been there. Now I fucking know why. Man, fuck it! Fuck it, man. We're hackers. We outthink, we out dare. I say we tear down the fucking wall. Hey, show everyone what Bloom's up to, man. Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms. Fuck. I installed a back door, so all we gotta do is walk right through.
Hold on. What?
He installed the back door, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
Hey, man. Do you have the time?
Oh, yeah, man.
I got it.
It's kind of late for a night run, isn't it? Hey, what are you running from the cops?
Maybe I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
Have a good party.
Fucking ping this motherfucker. Fuck you, Bloom. I'm gonna go have a goddamn good time.
Alright, let's end it here. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you could be that kind, please leave some advices in the comments on what I can do better. Until next time, this was my first live commentary ever, so it would be very nice if you could leave some suggestions and advices down below. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and also leave a comment. And until next time, have a good one. Bye.